Para stand up for the prayer. Slow down with the prayer, please.
Thank you, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Before you take your seats, please pick up those pieces of your primary letters. And be specific.
Thank you, sir.
Sit properly. So before we proceed to our new lesson, have you ever heard the different organ system in human body?
Yes, sir.
What are they? Can you give me one? Miss Loretta?
Brain.
Brain. Okay. Miss Ivy, can you give me one organ system in our body?
Heart, sir.
Okay. So based from your answer, heart, our new lesson for today is, before we proceed the lesson, I want you to perform a jumping jacks and try to observe your breathing and pulse rate. Everybody stand up. Start now. Use jumping jacks.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone can share your observation. Okay, Miss Luisa.
It is hard to breathe after performing the jumping jacks.
Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about circulatory system. So can you read the definition of circulatory system? Miss Ivy.
Circulatory system is also known as your cardiovascular system, made up of your heart and blood vessels. The main function of the circulatory system is to provide oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to muscles, tissues, and organs throughout your body.
Okay, just take note that circulatory system is also known as our cardiovascular system. Meaning, cardio, main organ is heart, so pumps blood, provide oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the muscle tissues and organs that throughout your body. Okay, there are three types of circulatory system. Number one is heart, blood vessels, and blood. For the heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. So, heart is the main organ in the circulatory system. Second is the blood vessels, which include your arteries, veins, and capillaries. And the third one is made up of red and white blood cells, plasma, and platelets, which is blood, the third one. So, for now we focus only on heart. So, can you read for the definition of heart, Ms. Vitana?
Heart is the main organ of the circulatory system, a network of blood vessels that pumps blood throughout your body. It also works with other systems to control your heart rate and blood pressure.
Okay, thank you. So, heart, it says there that heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. So, let's proceed to the chambers of heart. Heart are divided into 4 chambers. The right atrium, right ventricles, left atrium, and left ventricle. So, anyone can read the definition of right atrium? Yes, Gaza.
Right atrium. 2 large veins deliver oxygen, pour blood to your right atrium. The superior vena cava carries blood from your upper body. The inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower body. The right atrium pumps blood to your right ventricle.
Okay. If you see here, this is the right atrium. The second one, Miss Luisa, the right ventricles.
Right ventricles. The lower right chambers pumps the oxygen for blood to your lungs through the pulmonary artery. The lungs reload blood with oxygen.
Okay, so the right ventricles are here, there. So, I'll read the definition of left atrium. Left atrium, after the lungs fill blood with oxygen, the pulmonary veins carry the blood to the left atrium. This upper chamber pumps the blood to your left ventricle. So, it says there that left atrium, there, is to pumps the blood to your left ventricle. Yun. So, let's proceed to the last one. Miss Blasa, can you read the function of left ventricle?
Left ventricle is slightly larger than the right. It pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of your body.
Okay. So, if you notice, guys, that these four chambers are divided. So, this right atrium and left atrium is the two top chambers in our heart, while the right ventricle and left ventricle are the lower part of our chambers. So the other parts are the tricuspid valve, separate the right atrium from the right ventricle. The arteria are separates from the ventricles by the atrioventriculum valve. The mitral valve separates the left atrium from the right ventricles. The pulmonic valve is between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery which carries blood to the lungs. The aortic valve is between the left ventricle and the aorta which carries blood to the body. So, is there any question and clarification regarding the topic? Yes?
None, sir.
If none, I'll give you an activity. Right. So, we place it in 1/2 person's paper. Give the three types of circulatory system and their functions to points each, and enumerate the four chambers of heart and give their functions to points each also. Write it in a 1/2 person's of paper. You have 5 minutes to do that. Very done, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, exchange paper. Okay, could anyone give me the three types of circulatory system? Yes, Ms. Andrea.
Heart, blood vessels, and blood, sir.
Okay, very good. How about the four chambers of heart? Ms. Ivy.
Right atrium, right ventricles, left atrium, and left ventricle.
Okay, very good. And for their function, I'll be the one to correct that. So, kindly pass your papers. Okay, is there questions?
None, sir.
Okay, eyes on the paper. In the quiz number 1, read the following question and write your answer before the number. And quiz number 2, make an acrostic poem using the word heart. You have only 10 minutes to do that. Start. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, sir.
My papers forward. Okay, is there questions?
None, sir.
Or if none, for your assignment? For your assignment number 1, make a 2D structure of heart and give their parts. Place it in a short bond paper. These are the heart criteria. Creativity 60%, neatness 20%, relevance of the team 20% to make the total 100%. For assignment number 2, in one whole sheet of paper, answer the following question. Number 1, what is the importance of circulatory system in our life? Number 2, what are the things we must do in order to have a healthy heart? And the last question is, what are the things we must avoid in order to prevent heart disease? To be placed, the assignment number 2, place it in a one sheet of paper. Question regarding your assignment?
None, sir.
If none, let's call it a day. Praise be Jesus Christ.
Now and forever, amen.
Right as business.
Thank you, sir.